I feel Google are best positioned to provide the most comprehensive suite of AI tools for specific use cases. I think Google are in the best position to win artificial intelligence because they have the whole vertical stack. So a company like OpenAI, yes, they have a model, but they have to buy GPUs from Nvidia. They need to rent server space. So they're very vulnerable. They have the large language model, but that's kind of it. They have the app layer, which is ChatGPT. They have a big user base, about 900 million people. Google have the hardware level. They build their own TPUs. I was at Google a couple of weeks ago in London. I got to actually physically see a TPU and I was far too excited about it. So they build tensor processing units, which are an alternative to GPUs, which Nvidia builds, which means they are not beholden to Nvidia's basic monopoly because Google build their own hardware. So boom, they've got the hardware layer. They then have their own cloud layer, Google Cloud. So they're not reliant on AWS, Amazon. They're not reliant on Microsoft Azure. They have the application layer, huge reach. They have the models. They have Gemini. They have application layer, which is massive. They have the Gemini app that is growing in popularity, but still behind ChatGPT. They have Chrome, 70-80% market penetration for browsers. Android, about 70-80% market penetration on telephones. They are also, Gemini is going inside of Siri, so it's going to be inside iPhones. Gemini is the de facto artificial intelligence being built into every single telephone on the planet. They have users collecting our data for an awfully long time, indexed the world's written information. They have YouTube, Google Images, tagging and sorting images, which is really useful when you need to train an artificial intelligence that can generate images, which is why Nano Banana Pro is so good. They have a lot of money, 402.8 billion, 15% increase year over year. When you have cash, you can afford to go a little bit slower than everyone else. ChatGPT or OpenAI have to keep going back and asking investors for money to pay for the data centers, to buy more GPUs. Google have cash from their search industry. They own the whole vertical, TPUs, cloud, Gemini, the application layer, Chrome and Android. They have user base and money. They are in an extremely good position right now. Don't bet against Google. They were caught on the back foot by ChatGPT. Then OpenAI was like, ta-da, here's ChatGPT, which caught Google. They've spent the last couple of years catching up, but they are in an extremely good position right now. Even though I was dumping on Gemini 3.1 because of its lack of harnesses, it's a very good model. I'm very bullish on Google.